Have you ever wished you could have soft, glowing skin without spending a fortune on expensive spa treatments? Well, you're in luck, because today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing DIY body scrub right in your kitchen using simple ingredients. Ingredients: 1. Sugar, the base exfoliant ingredient. 1. White and brown sugar both work. 1. The sugar granules help scrub away dead skin cells. 2. Oil, usually olive oil or coconut oil. 2. The oil helps moisturize, nourish skin, and bind the ingredients together. 2. Any neutral tasting oil can be used. 3. Essential oil, optional, for scent. 3. 5 to 10 drops is plenty. 3. Lavender, lemon, rose, jasmine and vanilla oils smell nice. Benefits: 1. Exfoliates, the top layer of dull, dead skin cells are removed, revealing fresh new skin. 1. This leaves skin soft and glowing. 2. Moisturizes, the oils hydrate and nourish skin during the scrubbing process, preventing any feeling of tightness. 3. Improves skin texture. Regular gentle exfoliation improves tone, elasticity, even coloration and appearance of skin over time. 4. Relaxes, the scrubbing motion increases circulation. 4. The aroma of added essential oils also calms the senses. 5. Affordable, this body scrub is very cheap to make at home with ingredients most people already have on hand. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to put together. All you need is some sugar, olive oil or coconut oil, and an optional essential oil for scent if you desire. The sugar acts as a natural exfoliant to buff away dull, dry skin cells gently. The oil deeply conditions, nourishes skin, and binds the ingredients together. First, take 1 cup of white or brown sugar and pour it into a bowl or jar. Next, add ½ cup of your preferred oil, olive and coconut oil work great. Finally, add 5 to 10 drops essential oil if using. Now mix the ingredients together until thoroughly combined. To use, simply apply the body scrub all over dry skin in circular motions when showering. The sugar will dissolve as you scrub. Rinse thoroughly and pat your skin dry. Follow up with moisturizer. Your skin will be left soft, supple, healthy and glowing. This scrub takes just 5 minutes to whip up, works wonders, and costs a fraction of what you would pay at the spa. It makes a thoughtful homemade gift too. Whip up a batch and let me know how you enjoy this simple, all-natural body scrub. Comment below with your thoughts.